Cissistoprimus is a new species of the oldest ancestor of today's birch mice. An international team of paleontologists, including SMU paleontologist Yuri Kimura, discovered the fossils from 17 million-year-old sediments in northern China's Inner Mongolia. She identified the species based on 17 of its tiny teeth. To find this new species, Cissistoprimus, the researchers sifted through 13,000 pounds of sediment. Cissista is now among the longest living rodent genera.
The paleontologists usually look for bones, like you see dinosaur bones in a museum exhibit, but a mouse-like mammal is very tiny and the bones are fragile and thin, so they are usually weathered away in a process of sedimentation and fossilization. But teeth are usually preserved in a prehistoric sediment because enamel is the hardest tissue in the body. And interestingly, for small mammals, the tooth structure is very diverse. From that, we can identify the species. Birch mouse teeth are not easily visible to the naked eyes. They are less than half the size of a rice grain, so we use a microscope to find their teeth.
Mice teeth are very distinctive in their structure, making it possible for paleontologists to use the teeth to identify individual rodent species. Cissistoprimus was found at a known fossil locality. The scientists look for teeth and bone fragments that are visible to the naked eye to find a concentration of fossils in the sediments. They then collected the sediments and screen washed them. Small particles of sediments were drained away, and teeth and large particles remained on the mesh. Those were collected and brought back to the laboratory, where fossils like teeth were picked up under the microscope.
17 million years ago, Inner Mongolia was very different from modern dry grasslands. It would have been a variety of vegetation, a long river with patches of shrubs, forest, and grass. In a green-rich environment, Cissistoprimus would have eaten insects, fruits, and seeds, just like living species of birch mouse.
Kimura says it is really striking that the genus of birch mice has existed for such a long time. They represent one of the most unique rodents on Earth, whose ancestry now spans 2 to 3 times the average.